An HTML document consists of its basic building blocks. The basic building blocks of an HTML document are tag, attribute, and elements. Let's see tag first. An HTML tag surrounds the content and apply meaning to it. It acts as a container for different types of content. Content may be text, images, tables, lists, etc. Tag is written between angle brackets. Each tag has its own specific meaning and the same applies to the content within it. Now let's see an example of HTML tag. This is P tag. P is for paragraph. It contains this text, right? So P is container for this text. And just remember one thing, that it is written in angle brackets. Now let's see an attribute. An attribute in HTML provides extra information about the element and it is applied within the start tag. Just remember that this is the start tag and this is the closest tag, right? As you can see here, this is the div tag. It has class attribute. An HTML attribute contains two fields, name and value. As you can see here, that class is an attribute name and entry content is a value. So this is the example of attribute. Now let's see, third one is element. An element in HTML document can be understood as an individual component of an HTML file. In an HTML file, everything written within tags are termed as HTML elements. In more simple words, the elements are everything written within tags, including the tags, attributes, and the content. As you can see, this is P tag is called the paragraph element. So everything is counted, this start tag, this close tag and content within it. Everything combined called as element. And this element is P element, or you can also say that it is a paragraph element. So I hope every concept is clear now. Now let's see once again everything. Just recap everything. Tag. So this is called the tag. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Slash is used to close the tag. Attribute. This is the attribute. Attribute is written in start tag. Just remember this thing. The attribute has two fields, name and value. Here the class is attribute name and entry content is a value. Element. Element is everything, content and tag. So this whole thing will be called as HTML element, HTML paragraph element.